The Infinix Hot 50 Pro, plus that surfaced last week, has been officially unveiled. One of the biggest highlights of the Hot 50 Pro Plus is its sleek design. It is 6.8 millimeters thin, and Infinix is touting it as a smartphone with world's slimmest 3D curved slim edge design. The Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus is a 4G smartphone powered by the Helio G100 SoC. It has 8 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage on board, expandable via a micro SD card. Infinix hasn't detailed the Hot 50 Pro Plus's spec sheet, but a few videos it posted on its YouTube channel confirm the smartphone is built around a 120 Hz, always-on curved AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass protection, a centered punch hole for the selfie camera, and a fingerprint scanner underneath for biometric authentication. The display is also advertised to work with wet and greasy fingers. Fueling the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus is a 5,000 milliamp-hour battery that draws power through a USB-C port at up to 33 watts. The smartphone is also IP54 rated and features dual speakers with JBL tuning. Moreover, the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus comes with a Titan wing architecture, which combines ultra-slim elegance with unbeatable durability. The smartphone has 3 color options and is available for pre-orders in Kenya through multiple online retailers. However, we'll have to wait for Infinix to share the Hot 50 Pro Plus's specs sheet on its website to know all about it, since some of the specs listed on retailers' websites don't match the ones mentioned by Infinix in its videos.